a great choice today with the 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, MP3 player, CD player, trip computer, bucket seats, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.